This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Swing the headlight housing retaining rods forward and pull them up. Pull the housing forward and rotate it downward to access the bulb connectors. The outer bulb is the low beam bulb, and the inner bulb is the high beam. Release the retaining tab and disconnect the desired bulb's electrical connector. Turn the headlight bulb counterclockwise and withdraw the bulb from the housing. The bulb is integrated into the bulb holder as one piece. Making sure to avoid touching the bulb surface with your fingers, install the new headlight bulb into the housing. Align the lugs when inserting, then twist the bulb clockwise to secure it. Connect the bulb electrical connector. Install the headlight housing back onto the body. Align the mounting holes, then insert the retaining rods through the housing and bracket. Rotate the retaining rods and push them securely into their retaining clips.